Dear children, today we are going to read the water cycle. Actually, it is the part of every drop count, but it is a separate topic. So I made this video for you at separately. You have listened that water is limited and approximately 75% of water is not drinkable and it is stored in ocean or sea. So today we are going to read about the cycle of water, how the amount of total water maintained on the earth. It is the season of रेन. प्रायः आप देखते हैं बारिश हो रही है. ये सारा बारिश का पानी कलेक्ट होता है. कहाँ पे कलेक्ट होता है? रिवर, पॉन्ड्स, सीज एंड ओशियंस. These are the collection point of the water, or in other word we can say these are the banks of rainwater or water. Then the rainwater collect in river, pond, ocean, and when sunlight heated that water, it change into evaporation. It change into water vapor. And when water vapor, this process is known as evaporation. We can write it. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of changing the water into vapor due to heat of sunlight. It is the water. It is the process of evaporation. You can see here the arrow mark. It is evaporation, and when it appear on clouds, it stick on the cloud, and when the more droplet of water vapor stick together, it process is known as condensation. You can see the arrow mark. It is condensation, and when the condensed water become heavy, it falls due to the gravitational force of the earth, and it is called precipitation. And it begins to rain, and then it collect into river, pond and ocean. This is the full process of water cycle. First, water become water vapor and it rises up and stick together to form clouds, and when clouds become heavy, they fall due to the gravitational force of earth, and in the form of rain, and it collect in pond and river. Then condensation. Try to write condensation is the process of cooling the water vapor and stick together. It is condensation. And what is precipitation? Precipitation is the process when water vapor become changed in droplet and become heavy it falls due to gravitational force. Gravitational force in the form of rain. Is precipitation. It is precipitation. So it is the full process of water cycle. I hope you understand this cycle, and after this you have to make this picture in your copy. This is the full picture of water cycle, and you have to draw a poster on save water. This is a model of poster. You can make it in your copy. This is enough for today. Thank you.